If you want to know how to edit text in Pixlr quickly and confidently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to select existing text, change the words, adjust the style, and move everything into the perfect position. This is a super useful skill, whether you're making thumbnails, social media graphics, banners, or simple image edits. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Pixlr. First, activate the text tool. You can do this by pressing T on your keyboard, or by clicking the text icon on the left toolbar. This opens the text editing mode so you can work directly with text on your canvas. Next, select the text layer you want to edit. You can click the text block directly on your image canvas, or choose its matching layer from the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. If you're starting fresh, you can also create a new text layer and begin typing from there. Once the text object is selected, double-click inside the bounding box to highlight the existing words. After that, simply type in your new text. This is the fastest way to replace old text with updated wording. Now that the content is changed, let's adjust the styling. Look at the top horizontal settings bar where you'll find controls for font, size, and fill color. You can switch fonts to match your design, increase or decrease the size for better visibility, and change the fill color to make the text stand out more clearly. If your design needs a more polished look, take a moment to test a few combinations until it feels right. After that, you can adjust the positioning. Click outside the box, then drag the corner handles of the bounding box to resize or rotate the text. If you want to move the text more precisely, switch to the Arrange or Move tool by pressing V. That lets you reposition the text exactly where you want it on the canvas. Take your time here, because good text placement can make a huge difference in the final look of your design. One helpful tip is to zoom in while editing so you can see spacing, alignment, and size more clearly. If the text is part of a thumbnail or graphic, make sure it stays readable even on smaller screens. Also, remember that you can always go back and fine-tune the font, size, color, and placement until everything looks balanced. And that's it. Now you know how to edit text in Pixlr from start to finish. You learned how to activate the text tool, select the right layer, change the wording, customize the style, and move the text into position. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.